Hey Tech Explorers, want to delete your chat history in QWEN 2.5? It's easy and also exactly how to do it. Let's get started. First, open QWEN 2.5 chat screen. Now look at the top left corner, you'll see a sidebar icon. Tap on it to open the sidebar. Once the sidebar slides out, tap on your profile at the very bottom. This will open up more options for you. A menu will pop up. Now, you want to tap on Settings. Don't worry, this is where the magic happens. Next, go to Chats. You'll find an option to delete all chats. Tap on it. You'll be asked to confirm the action. Once you confirm, all your chat history will be deleted. Have you ever needed to clear your chat history? Let me know in the comments below. And that's it. You have successfully deleted your chat history in QWEN 2.5. If this video helped, make sure to like, share, and subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.